Hi guys, Beth here. So today I'm coming to you with an update on my 50 Shades of Purple Project Pan. This was created by Jessica and Amanda and Cece. I'll have them linked down below, also with a list of, or a link to everybody else that's doing this project on Instagram and on YouTube and the Facebook group. I'll have the Facebook group, the Fantastic Ladies, listed down below as well if you'd like to join in on any of these. They already picked out the color for this next April, and I can't say what it is, but I'm excited, and I think I did join in. So let's get into this update. I'm not going to share with you this time around the products that I don't have any progress in, but I will have at the bottom in the description all the products I have used up and the ones that are still in the project, and some ratios and stuff like that. But let's get into it, you guys. I do have a couple of empties and I met goal on a couple of items, so let's do that first. I finished up the Justin Bieber perfume. I just consistently used it since the last update and I finished it up. So I had started about halfway, and over the last, 10 months? Yeah, because we have 2 months left. Over the last 10 months, I had used up half the bottle. So I'm so excited that this is done. I don't think I would purchase it again. It wasn't like my favorite scent. It was okay. It was nice. But yeah, the packaging is kind of like weird. It falls over easily. It was cute though. I mean, it's the shape of a heart. And I had bought it because I had bought a duo perfume and lotion, I think at Sam's Club a long time ago, and I really liked the lotion, and it was the Girlfriend lotion. So that's why I purchased this at CVS. And I think it was only like $14 or $20, something like that. I'll have a link down below if you're interested in trying it out. So it's really inexpensive, and it is a perfume. The perfume I got with the lotion wasn't the perfume that came with the lotion. It wasn't the Girlfriend perfume when I bought it at Sam's Club. It was Someday or something like that. It's also a heart one, and I have it in the back, so maybe I'll start working on that one soon because it is older. It's pretty old, so I do need to use that up and get it out of my collection. But this is done, and I'm so excited that it's done, and it was nice. It was nice. I'm not gonna say it was bad in any kind of way because it wasn't bad. Okay, the next empty is my L'Oreal Paris Revitalist Moisturizer. I got this in PR from Influencer. If you're not, if you'd like to review products or you want to receive some free items and review them, I highly recommend Influencer. It's an app, and they send you a survey, and then if you meet their qualifications, they'll send you free stuff. So I had received this moisturizer, and I totally used it up. And I'm so happy because now I have one less item on my bathroom sink. So there is that. And then I used up an Eden Urban Decay sample. It's like one of these big blister packets. It came in a purple packaging, but I don't know what I did with it. I do have one more of these in the project still. So I was able to use up this eye base. And it's nice. I really do like it. And then I used up another one. This might have a tiny bit. I was able to squeeze it really in there on this side, but on this side I still need to really try. I might have like one more use in here, but I'm gonna call it done for now. I'm still gonna, maybe tomorrow and the next day and the next day I'm gonna squeeze and squeeze, maybe even cut it open, but probably not cut it open. I don't know. It'll be in my empties though, my year-end empties. This will be the first eyeshadow primer. Like, this is a mini. It's not, I think it's a mini, but this will be the first one that I finish. So I'm really proud of myself and I'm happy about that. Normally, like, I use concealer on my eyelids, but I did notice concealer creases sometimes with me. So this is really nice. It's a nice primer. So I got those two primers out. The next item I also received from Influencer. It was actually for my daughter, and she used it like a few times in the bathtub, and then she stopped taking baths and started taking showers. so she didn't use it anymore. She didn't find it fun to play with in the shower. And that's the Suave Kids 3-in-1 shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. It's a slime. And I used it in my hair as a shampoo. It worked really good. It felt really cleansing. I did enjoy it, but it's in a tub. And so when I'm in the shower, I like to just use a squeezy bottle or a pump to get my shampoo out. So I don't see us repurchasing it unless it's for someone as a gift, because it is fun for like little kids in the bathtub. So let me open it up and show it to you. There it is. There's a little bit of like water in there, but and it smells really good, you guys. It has like this purpley like grape. It says purple coconut, squishy coconut. So I don't know. To me, it smells like grape. It says coconut. I liked it. I have been liking coconut scents lately, so maybe that's why. Okay, and then I met goal on a couple of eyeshadow palettes. Let me get them. I think I forgot one. Okay, guys, so the palette that I hit my goal on, it was a 10-use goal, was this Mercury in Retrograde by Huda Beauty. I used this 10 times and I had fun with it. It's a nice palette, and it's only $33 right now on Sephora's website. It's still on sale. It's still there. I wish everyone would just buy it out so it's not there anymore and I don't see it in their sales link anymore. But I know there's so many other palettes out since this one, and you know, we're not going to be in retrograde anymore, so I don't know. I use that. I'm excited. Happy to have that usage goal met. I'm going to try not to roll in any more eyeshadows and stuff this year because I have my Pan That palette. It has 24 eyeshadows in it, and I'm scratching my head like, what are you going to do, Beth? How are you going to use those up? But okay, so that was the last one, I think. Did I get everything? Yeah, I think I'm pretty sure I got everything that I meant to mention that I used up and I met goal on. So let's get into the things that I made some good progress on. The first one is the Oraly tops to bottom. This was the first item in the project, number 1. And since the last update, I was right there, and now I'm right here. I have been using it as a base coat. You can use it as a top coat too, but I like it just as a base coat. So that's where I'm at. I will mark it after this video. And then I've been using this Winky Luxe lip gloss. And the last update, I was up here and now I'm down here. I did take the stopper out, so it's going a little bit faster. Hopefully by next update, I'll have it done. So I'm really excited about this one. I used my Spanglish palette today. That's what's on my eyes. It's very pretty. I think I don't know. I didn't pack it on enough on this side. It looks a little bit darker on this side, but I'm not going anywhere doing anything really today. So actually there's a birthday party, so I'll fix it before I go. I always say that. Here is what it looks like right now. So I did get 1 use. I need 4 more uses. Hopefully I'll hit goal on that this month for this palette. I am still using this Snapscara by Maybelline. It's been going a long time. I don't use colorful mascara every day. I use it like on the weekends. So hopefully I'll have it done really soon though, because this is like 10 months, you know, and we shouldn't use mascara that long. But it's not like making my eyes itch or bother me at all, so I'm still using it. There's that. I did use my Tarte Shape Tape a little bit this month, a handful of times. There's no progress that I can tell, but I just wanted to mention that I did start using it. I have been using it. Also, I had rolled in this Clinique Smart Clinical Repair Eye Cream, and I have been using this. I did hit the bottom of the plastic, so maybe, I don't think I'll be able to finish it, honestly, by the end of the project, because we have 2 months, and that's a lot of product for just the eye area. And I got this in free, like from influencer, and I'm honestly not really seeing much of a difference on, you know, this side of my face where I have most wrinkles. So I don't know. There's that. And then I've been using this Elemis Peptide 4 Plumping Pillow Face at night. I really do like it. It smells like ginger, and I love the scent of ginger lately. Yeah, it has a ginger scent to it, and there I am. I don't think I'll be able to finish this as well, but I thought I'd share it with you because I've been using both of those products a lot lately. And I have one more item and I forgot it. Let me grab it. Okay, now this is my wah product because, or wah. This is the Wet n Wild Purple Eyeliner. I don't like it, you guys. It's just not creamy enough for my under eyes, and I don't want to like push and tug to get eyeliner on my lower lash line or my upper eyelid. So I am decluttering this. I did use it the 10 times. So I met goal on it, but now I'm going to declutter it. And in my empties, I will have an empties video at the end of this month. You're going to see a lot of things being decluttered because a lot of my lip products have gone bad. And there's things that I just don't like since I, started project panning them this year, and I'm going to get rid of them because there's no point in me suffering when I have so much other stuff that I can have fun with and enjoy. So I will be getting rid of a few things. So stay tuned for that, you guys. I am going to roll in one item, and it is a moisturizer. Since I used up the Revitalist, I thought I would roll in a little mini, and this is in the purple packaging or violet. So I thought I would throw this in and try to use it up. I think I got it as a sample from Sephora. So it's a multi-dimension age transformer. So hopefully it'll help me with my wrinkles, but that's what I will be using as moisturizer. And that is it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider subscribing, giving this video a like, and yes, I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.